Hi, today I will be showing you how to change the color profile of your espresso display on Mac and on PC. Let's start with Mac users. Before we begin, please ensure that your display is properly connected to your device. First, go to System Settings. In the sidebar, locate Displays. You should see two displays, one representing your laptop display, the other the espresso display. Click on the display you wish to modify. In our case, this is denoted with the prefix ED. Locate Color Profile drop-down menu. Select the color profile you wish to use. Next, let's go over Windows. Before we begin, please ensure that your display is properly connected to your device. First, right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. You should see two windows representing each display, one for the laptop and the other for the espresso. If you are unsure which display corresponds to which number, simply click Identify to find out. Select the display that corresponds to the espresso display. Scroll down and locate Advanced Display. Locate and click on Display Adapter Properties for Display 2. Another window will pop up. Click the Color Management tab. Select Color Management. In the drop-down menu, select Display 2. Check the checkbox Use My Settings for this device. Underneath, you should see all the profiles associated with this device. If the color profile you want is not listed, select Add. You should see all available color profiles installed in your device. If the color profile you want is not there, you will need to download it online. Thanks.